What's up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be testing out a new foundation. I have a couple of little things to mention before we get started. Number one, I have done part of my eyes. They're not completely done. Trust the process. You guys know it's a freaking process, okay? I got parts of it done. I have to go back. I have to correct a few things. Just trust the process, okay? And number two, my voice is really like nasally right now because allergies are kicking my ass, so ignore that. I feel fine, thank you very much for asking, but it's just a little unnecessary. Okay. So I already did my skincare and everything. I started to work on my eyes, and we're going to be testing out the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. Ulta had like a promo going on where if you bought this, you got the foundation brush for free, and for whatever reason I was like, yes, I need that in my life. So I figured we'd go ahead and test it out today. We're going to do like an 8-hour wear test. Try it on, use a brush, use a sponge, use some stuff. I'm really excited. I did, like I said, my skincare and everything. I have not done primer. I'm going to use the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is a sample that I'm currently using for my Shop My Samples, but it's worked really well with a large variety of foundations. So I feel like this is going to be a really safe bet for today that won't like necessarily negatively affect the foundation itself. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm pretty sure that's all the updates that I had. I'm like really self-conscious about my eyes right now because I know they look crazy as shit, but they're not done yet, right? Like it's a whole look, it's a whole thing. I might take them off and start over, I don't know. I don't love how they're turning out so far, and like I still have a lot of work to do, but like I don't love them. I don't know, but I want to get some foundation on because I wanted to do this because I was afraid, because I knew it was going to be a lot of black eyeshadow. I was really afraid of the fallout. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know. We're gonna have to see how it goes. We'll have to see how it goes. I'm gonna show you guys obviously my finished look, and I'm going to put everything that I use on my full face in the comments down, in the description box down below if you're interested, because I'm only going to be showing you and demoing like the primer and then the foundation today. So let's go ahead and get some of this on. This is seriously, I'm almost out of it. This is seriously like a moisturizer, and it goes on so nicely and it feels so good on the skin, and it has a really nice scent too. I've been using this obviously because of the Shop My Samples, but I've been really liking it. It works, it just feels really nice on the skin, like it works really well, and I have been quite enjoying that. I also have a ridiculous breakout on my chin, thank you Maskne. I need like a mirror or something so I can put on the foundation. This is the palette I'm going to use for face products today. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Mini in Sculpture, just because I know how all these products work. I've used this a lot recently, and I don't have any concerns with like this affecting the foundation, so I'm going to use this today. I'm going to use this as a mirror. So this is the foundation. It's the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. It's a medium to full coverage. Here's my concern with this, okay? I picked this up from Ulta during a sale, and they didn't have a whole lot of shades in stock. They didn't have a good shade range. It's a little concerning to me because I ended up going with medium 10. I'm thinking it's gonna be really dark. We're gonna have to find out. Let's take a look at some information about the foundation though. The foundation is $20. There are 40 different shades. This is 0.94 fluid ounces. It has 4 out of 5 stars on Ulta, 437 reviews, and it is an oil-free, skincare-infused foundation that delivers a natural finish for healthy-looking skin. A luxe, long-wearing formula that's designed to blur and diffuse the look of imperfections while deeply hydrating and nourishing skin. So there's like a lot of skincare products and things like that in here, and I'm really sorry if the lighting is shitty. I don't know what happened. It's really like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain, so the lighting is terrible. It comes in a really nice, like packaging wise, it's nice. It comes in a really nice like frosted glass bottle. I like that. Obviously it's got a pump. I like that. I'm gonna do half my face with this random beauty sponge that I have, whose brand name I don't know. It's very possible it's a beauty blender, but it's also very possible it's not. And then I'm going to do the other half with the Filter Effect foundation brush, which looks like this. This is actually kind of cool because it's kind of like tapered off, and I feel like that's gonna be really interesting. So we're gonna start with the brush side. I'm going to spritz the brush with a little bit of the Core Organics Calming Lavender Mist, as I do, just a couple little spritzes. And then I'm going to put the foundation on the back of my hand. That is so orangey. Pinky? Oh god, I don't even know. Alright. Ooh. Okay. I don't think it's that bad. It's very yellow for my skin tone. It doesn't spread very far with this brush. I will say, I don't think it's the right match for me, but I don't think it's as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's just a little too yellow. But I don't like this brush. Like, this is definitely more of a stippling type of brush. It's not like a buffing type of brush. And I don't know. I feel like it looks kind of streaky. That is so not my shade match. Oh, that looks so yellow. Okay. I feel I can brighten it up with some concealer, kind of get it back, I think, to my shade match. This is the issue, is when I went to the Ulta website, they only had, because there was a sale going on, they only had like a certain number of shades left in stock, and they were not my shades. So I picked the one that I thought would be like the closest, and that was this. I'm gonna go in on the other side with the sponge, and I might go over and just blend out the whole thing with a sponge too, because I don't love how it's sitting right there. I like the application with the sponge a lot more though, but the sponge is soaking up like so much product. And yes, I'm well aware that my eyebrows are blocky today. Once again, trust the process. I'm going for a very specific look here today. And why did I decide to do a foundation try on that particular day, you might ask? Because that's what I felt like doing. Okay, so I like how it looks. I like how it kind of sinks into the skin. I did one layer. I did, I think like 3 or 4 pumps though, just because this has soaked up so much product. It was insane. I like it. I like it so far. It is a little bit dark. I'm going to fix that a little bit with concealer. And then I need to finish the rest of my face. And then we'll see what I think. I'm putting this on. Oh my god, it's so late, you guys. It's 2:07 in the afternoon. I'm going to wear this for 8 hours. So I'm going to check back in at 10 o'clock tonight. Wish me luck. But I'm going to check back in at 10 o'clock tonight and tell you guys how it wore and everything. I do like it. It doesn't honestly seem to be like settling in to any fine lines or anything. My biggest issue with it right now is the color match. And there wasn't much I could do about the color match unless I just, you know, I probably just should have waited until my color came back in stock, but here we are. I'm using the Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. I'm going to go ahead and put this on so we can kind of see how it plays with each other. I feel like my voice is so nasally. I do think it's got like medium-ish coverage, and I think that if you were to build it up a little bit, you'd be able to build it up to a full coverage, like almost no problem, because it's like almost there. I just don't want to do multiple layers. This is the one thing I hate about doing eye makeup before doing face. You have to work the concealer around the eye makeup. I feel like that did brighten it up a little bit. I like that. Alright. Okay, let me go put on the rest of my makeup really quick. I'll be right back and then I'll show you the finished look. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I like it. I think it looks good. Once again, I'm sorry for the lighting. Like, I'm pretty sure it's also because it's so late and I normally film like way earlier than this. So of course the regular lighting sucks right now. But this is the finished look. So I am going to wear this while I get some stuff done around my house today. And then I will be back to report at 10 p.m. this evening to tell you what I think and how it held up. I will say it held up really nicely like under the products. So I really do like that. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what happens. I feel like I look absolutely insane. Okay, you guys, it is 9:56. I'm calling it because I'm weirdly tired. My allergies are killing me. Oh my god, I just want to go to bed. My lighting is all screwed up too. So let me explain this really quick. I feel like it held up really well, actually. I do think it held up really well. I was like resting my chin and my hand a lot, so it has kind of worn off down here, which is to be expected. I blew my nose a couple of times today, but I tend to get really dry skin like in this area around my nose, and obviously blowing it doesn't help. So I do have a little bit of wear there. Honestly though, I think it held up really well. Like, I think it still looks, 8 hours later, it looks really good. Even the like blush and stuff that I had put on top of it, I think all in all, it held up really well. My lip color is completely gone except for like this weird, I always get this weird ring if I don't reapply it all throughout the day, which I did not today. I end up with like this weird ring kind of like all on the very upper like top part of my lip. Honestly though, I don't know what's happening here. I like it. I am really impressed with this. It is a new foundation, obviously. but I think it held up really well. I think it looks really nice for being 8 hours later. I spent all day cleaning. I've been like blowing my nose on and off all day because of my allergies, and I'm really happy with it. So if you have tried this foundation, let me know down below what you thought. If you haven't, let me know if you plan on picking it up. I will have all of the makeup that I wore today linked down below, as I said. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.